Going down.
Starting off at about 4:30 a.m. Reservations are required. Just so happens I have one. It is a little early, but that is necessary because they're starting to develop a little bit of a congregation of folk here in the Esplanade. And as I make my way in through the gates, you can see straight down Main Street, pretty empty. Heading over to Launch Bay now. At Launch Bay is where they're going to be giving us the credentials to get in. So basically from one side of the park to the other, a lot of walking, but it's worth it. Let the madness begin. It's growing. The line is growing. For the first time ever, it's now on the guide map there, tucked away in that far left top corner. There's only one man I know that would wear, we gotta pull that one to the side too,
okay,
that would wear that specific old school tee.
You're wearing the Return of the Jedi shirt.
Justin
Scott?
I
went a little more old school than you.
Don't rub it in. Now this predates Empire, Justin. Super enthused. Going a little bit more old school than you. Who's the true fan? The limited edition special guide map is pretty spiffy as well. Collector's item. Looks as if this is some of the new t-shirt designs. Nice. It's now official. All I needed is this wristband. You got yours?
I got it. I got it.
Got yours? Allie?
Got it.
Nailed it. You are dressed accordingly. Oh, look at this. You are, I didn't realize you're a Jedi Master as well. Does that get you front of the line? Just to give some perspective, bottom line are for wristbands, the top queue for merchandise. A lot of people. Someone was handing these out, has the date on it, and you can choose whichever color lightsaber you want to devour. These are cookies, right?
Yeah.
We are in a holding pattern here for the next hour, and then we're going to be escorted to the land. Here we got Ian, David from Fresh Baked. What's that? What's right there up on your shoulder?
It's called a convor.
A convor?
It's a Star Wars owl.
Nice. I see you have constructed a new lightsaber.
Yeah, where did you get that?
Oh, wait, there's noises.
The noise is back here.
Nice. It's moving. The throngs are moving. Oh wait, they stopped. It's a trap. We're moving very slowly. Oh, it's happening.
It's happening.
It's happening right now.
What's happening?
You don't know? It's so close. I can almost taste it. We're almost there. Did you ever think this day would come?
Dude,
back
finally,
at D23 when they announced it.
Day to the public.
We were there.
Not a media day.
And now it's happening.
The first real day.
It's happening.
Oh my gosh! We're being greeted by the special guest
This is it. The first ever public day. World opening.
This is unreal.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, look at, they're like ants. This is wild.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness!
Just inching along, slowly but surely. This is it! Enjoy the land. Hello. It's good to be here. cast members lined up. Going down the line. Going down the line. Going down the line.
Right side. Right side.
All right. We got to get over to the cantina first and foremost before everyone else gets there. Holy cow. This is happening right now. Was just informed that the cantina line has been closed off for now. Capacity, we got to come back just a little bit later. So plan number 2, option 2. Wow. Incredible full-size Millennium Falcon. Oh, a nice touch. Very nice touch. So much detail. It's like breathtaking. Everyone's getting their photos in front of this magnificent creation. Got some blue milk here. You want to try some of this blue milk?
I'm so thirsty.
Get in there.
Some Bantha milk for me. It's hearty.
Oh man. That's a lot different than I expected it to be.
Very different. It's frosty. As you move it towards your face, it's like cooling and frosty. It feels like it needs a straw a little bit, but it's actually really good. A little fruity. It's very light.
Fruity and some coconut in there as well, right?
Yeah, it's a little light. It's not thick. It's not like milkshakey or anything like that.
Yeah, look at that frosty goodness there.
So frosty.
This might be the first time in my life that I've consumed a milky blue beverage.
Me too.
This whole setup is mind-blowing. This thing's just directly in front of me. Everywhere you turn, there's just something to feast your eyes upon. Everyone wants a photo in front of this thing, and I can't blame them. Rather epic. Plenty of sounds to deliver the ambiance. The ambiance is thick. Got them on ice. Better chilled than room temperature. Oh my goodness. Look at the amount of eyes on this thing hanging from the roof. Got something on the old BBQ. I think the grill itself is the bottom of a pod racer. At the engine.
Nice to meet you. How are you? Nice to meet you.
We're really enjoying it so far.
Good. What have you done so far?
We're loving it. We've just kind of wandered around.
Yeah, you're doing it right.
To be perfectly honest, it's kind of hard to wrap my head around all this. Whoa. Doing it, counting the inventory.
That kind of trouble.
Is this who I think it is?
Adam the Woo?
Dano? No way, you're buying one of these?
I'm buying one of these.
I think, you know what, if you're getting one, I think I might have to get the other one
There's
as well.
only one left.
I gotta get it.
Same color.
I don't want that color, I want the other
I
one.
couldn't find brown ones
I want the
anywhere.
Jedi version, Return of the Jedi, Salacious version.
I just like that he looks like a tropical parrot.
And he is from the Clone Wars, correct?
He's similar to the ones in the Clone Wars.
Nice, I'm getting it. I'm doing it, you talked me into it.
Dude, it's so amazing. Look, okay, let's see if we can get him to do his thing here. We remove my camera.
So it runs off remote control.
It's like a weird little...
Oh, wow. So you're
Yeah.
doing that with your hand?
With my hand. I'm doing it one-handed. But yeah, this is...
Oh my goodness, what the heck?
Yeah. Oh, look at him go. Did you see the loaf count?
There's just, this is like a mind scramble.
There's so much going on right now. And I can't even keep up.
I got a little buddy. What do you guys think? taking a photo? This is my pal right here, and he turns his head, so he's like staring at you, doing the double take, and then he also speaks. You got to provide the voice though. Provide the voice.
Welcome to the land, yes. I like Yoda's voice.
Oh, he talks like Salacious talks like Yoda?
He does.
It's me and my new buddy walking through Batuu. You enjoying this? You enjoying this? You enjoy? You're not. Shaking his head that he doesn't like walking through Batuu.
He wants to go back or leave?
He's saying no to everything.
You want to go ride Hyperspace Mountain?
Hey Chewie, how are you? I'm really enjoying the new land. It's amazing. I didn't know what to expect, but now I'm completely blown away. It's great to see you. If you need to wet your whistle, you could purchase one of these beverages, but it almost looks like you'd be drinking a thermal detonator. You definitely came prepared.
Thanks.
You got all the, oh, let me get a,
All the get up, man.
oh, that's nice. That's some nice headwear there. I like that a lot.
Thank you.
This land speeder's in the shop getting a little work done from the mechanic area. Is this who I think it is? Wearing a Death Star spokesman?
That's no moon. Oh, it is no moon.
Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. These aren't the droids I'm looking for. I didn't mean to offend you. Inside the factory, there's a conveyor belt with all the different appendages from the droids. By lining up here, you can build your own custom version. This is the pen you wear when you go into Sabi's?
Sabi's, right here.
The gatherers know what tray of pieces to pull out to them.
Yeah, so they know what kind of experience I want to have.
Okay, you're gonna build a lightsaber?
Scrap metal.
Scrap metal. Did I give too many spoilers?
We've got eyes on you and your device.
Whoa, what was that?
Okay, let's all relax.
It's now time to board Smuggler's Run. My goodness, this queue line. I'm not complaining about this queue line at all. Moving right along, enjoying the view. Quite the view while waiting in line. Holy goodness, that is awesome. I had to stow away my new PAL, my new product I got in this pretty sweet bag.
Get lost. Awesome.
Welcome aboard. Head right down this way. Aboard the Millennium Falcon.
Blue
Pilot.
flight credentials. Hold
Pilot.
on to those cars. You guys will work together.
I'm a pilot?
Yeah, we're both pilots.
Do I have the,
Coming out here, please.
do I have the skills?
Yes. You better. You better.
Okay, this looks very familiar. Oh my gosh. What the heck? This is amazing. Thank you for having us. This is incredible. I know this is like, I've seen this so many times in my dreams. Continuing on.
I don't know what I'm doing.
What is happening right now in our lives?
I don't know, but we're piloting, I guess. I'm a gunner.
A brand new flight. Good luck to you all.
Thank you.
Today,
Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord, what's happening?
push
Yeah.
the flashing button to take off.
Flashing buttons, that's me. We're going. Oh! How do I go light speed? This?
Light speed, yes.
There it goes! Yes. We need to take evasive action.
I'm turning. I don't know if I'm turning. I got it behind that one.
It might be faster if you list the parts that was not done.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't yell at me.
That was debris.
Okay, this might be the default picture for the video because it doesn't get much better than this. Right, buddy? Well, he's not shaking his head no, so I guess that's a yes. Again?
Michael K, K-A-Y, all Disney, all family friendly, and loving every single moment of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Ah!
What's your favorite thing here, Michael?
Favorite thing so far. Blue Milk was amazing, but Smuggler's Run, I wrote it, it was out of this world, and I've got Captain Rex, the Bluetooth speaker one, in there. Yes, here, take a closer look.
Wow. I am jealous of this. Okay, try.
Listen to it.
All the way against the wall. All the way against
I think it might actually be happening. We're gonna get in the cantina.
As close as possible, like if you guys like each other. I know you guys don't, just make it.
Cantina, we made it. Oh my gosh, he's singing. Are you having a moment right now, Justin? You're so happy.
Oh, can I get one of those, please?
Have you?
Okay, what's this one?
They didn't tell you the flavors.
They don't tell you the flavors?
No.
All right, I'm going in.
Going in.
Okay, I'm trying to
Yeah,
like.
you weren't leaving without trying the red one.
I'm not leaving without.
She wasn't gonna let you leave
She's
without.
not gonna let me leave without trying.
Very
Did you try the red one?
I tried the red one. She's trying to figure out a name for him. I call him Nacho. His life of ours. That's DISLYFEOFOURS. Something like that.
That red kernel corn had a little kick to it. I need a little drink and a beverage. I wanted to get one of those like thermal detonator Cokes.
Yeah, we just bought like 3 of them.
You got 3 of them?
3 of them. Well, they had different. The Diet Coke was different. The Sprite and the regular Coke.
Which one do you recommend of the 3 flavors?
I don't know. We're not drinking.
Put it on a shelf and let it deteriorate. Oh my gosh! Something's happening!
What? What is it?
Move aside, civilians. All right.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I'm with Kylo now.
No, you joined the dark side? Justin, no, come back to the light!
Your allegiance.
I've joined the dark side. I'm with Kylo now.
The Wookiee flies the Millennium Falcon.
Rachel, don't join
We're watching you.
Actually, you know what? He seems like kind of a bad boss. I'm getting out of here.
Care to explain how you missed that, Trooper? Sir, that's no ordinary Wookiee. That Wookiee is a threat. You are toy soldiers.
My time is just about over. They're making me leave. I don't want to go. Oh, that's good. That's refreshing. It's the new drink that everyone's raving about.
Raven. That's not what you said.
Okay, you gotta leave too, R2? You're hiding from those troopers, right? They're gonna be escorting everyone out of here. This is a good hiding spot, as good as any. I'm looking here, and this seems to be Disney IRL TV. How'd you guys fly today?
We did all right, we did all right.
Probably better than me, right?
Not too many dents and scratches for you, Adam. We left it.
Were you a pilot or a gunner or which?
Engineer.
You were an engineer. All right, well, good to see you.
Good to see
we'll
you
do
guys.
a little fist bump.
That's right.
Oh, you're in for the second group.
Yeah.
See, I have to leave.
Versus blue.
They're kicking me out of here.
What lightsaber are you? Green or blue, guys? Choose wisely.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Hi, buddy.
Whoa, it's like had a couple Heinekens.
It interacts with the rest of the land, or so we're told. Light side and dark side.
I got this one.
Okay, and I got this one.
You got that one. I was actually going to end my video here by telling everyone if they're new here that they can subscribe. By doing so, helps keep in the loop and up to date on future adventures and uploads here on this channel. They can take it a step further and ring that notification bell. And if they enjoyed this particular episode, the opening day of Galaxy's Edge.
Official opening day.
Star Wars Land, we used to call it. But it's really Star Wars Galaxy's
Star Wars Town is what
Edge.
I say.
Yeah. They can give it a big thumbs up. Here inside the Emporium is the specific date stamp t-shirt. Right there, May 31st, 2019. A day, this will be a day long remembered. And these are 2 pins I picked up. One is the limited opening day release, and the other one is the annual pass holder. As I zoom in where I just was through the hotel room window, I have to say it was a pretty fantastic experience as time goes on. If you're wondering if I'll go back in there, if that's something you are curious about, if I'm going to be doing or not, and if you're going to see that happen,
You will be. You will be.
Vlog?